Do you want to build a website from scratch? Then this series is for you. Introduction to Web Development. Hello and welcome to my new tutorial series. In this series, I'll be introducing you to web development. So quickly, before we begin programming, I would like to discuss the three main languages that we are going to be using: HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. HTML is used for creating the site structure, CSS is used for styling the HTML and making it look good, and last but not least, JavaScript is used for adding logic to the website. Enough talking, let's go. Okay, so first we have to get our environment set up. To do this, we're going to be using a website called Replit. Replit. What Replit is essentially a code editor inside of your browser. It allows you to write code inside of your browser. So first up, you want to create an account or log into an existing one. I am going to log into my account real quick, so I'll be right back once it. Alright, I am now logged into Replit. So now you want to create a REPL. To do this, you're going to click on New REPL. We are going to set it to HTML, CO, CSS, JS. So I'm going to click this, and then I'm going to give it a name. I'm going to call mine Web Development Tutorial, and then I'm going to click on Create REPL. This is going to create the REPL for us. And there we go. I'm going to zoom in quickly. There. So now I'm going to explain this code. So this first line, we can ignore that for now, but it's required for certain things in HTML. Next, we have this. This is what is known as a tag. Tags are defined using a greater than sign, the tag name, then a less than sign. You can see tags all over this HTML document. So this HTML tag is essentially the root of the website. This is what makes up the website. Next, we have a head tag and the body tag. The head tag is for stuff that is not visible to the end user. This is stuff that you're doing behind the scenes. Then we have a body tag. This is what the end user sees. This is all the aligned stuff. So first of all, the head tag. In the first two lines of the head tag, we have two meta tags. These are used for responsive web design, which I'll get into in a later video. But just know that you're gonna need these two tags if you want to make these responsive on mobile devices and whatnot. Next, we have a title tag. This tag sets the title for a website. Like, for example, you see that the title of this web page is Web Development Tutorial then Replit. This is only possible using a title tag. Now, we have a link tag. Link tags are used for linking certain files to the HTML document. For example, we are linking the style.css file to the document. What this is doing, so this is our CSS, for styling the website. And then we end the head tag using this exact same line, except a slash after the greater than sign. Now we're in the body tag. The body tag, all the body tag's doing is using a script tag. And this script tag allows us to link the JavaScript to our index.html HTML. So that is pretty much HTML. However, you don't need all of this code to make a website. I can literally just clear this out and then type something random, like subscribe, and then click run. As you can see, we have subscribe in the browser. So literally, this is just text. Unless it is wrapped within a greater than sign and a less than sign, then It's just going to be treated as text. See what happens when I turn this into a tag? It's no longer visible. However, when I change this back, it's just text. Thank you very much. So I'm going to end the video off there. In the next video, I'll be explaining the styles and CSS. And yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Goodbye.